What happens when nature itself causes loss? The Latin maxim, Actus Dei nemini facit injuriam, means an act of God injures no one. In law, when damage is caused by natural events beyond human control, like floods, earthquakes, storms, or lightning, no person can be held responsible. These are called acts of God, or inevitable accidents, and the law does not impose liability where there is no human fault. For example, if a warehouse is destroyed due to a sudden flood, the owner is not liable for the natural disaster. In law, responsibility begins with human action, not nature's force. Subscribe to Legal Exploration for more legal insights.